So what you're looking at is the 5 milliliters of water with the approximately 5 grams of the potassium nitrate. And now I'm just going to heat it up until the water starts boiling. And what we're going to see is that the solid there is going to slowly start to dissolve, because solids tend to dissolve at a higher concentration as the temperature increases. Okay, and you can see I'm going to just use the thermometer to mix it up. That seems to work just fine for this experiment. And what we'll do in a minute, once we actually have the solid dissolved, we'll remove the test tube from the hot water bath, and then we'll monitor two things. We'll monitor the temperature, so the solution will start cooling off, start dropping in temperature. So that's one thing we'll watch for. And then the other thing that we're going to watch for is the formation of a solid. What that's going to give us the temperature data point for the solubility of potassium nitrate. Okay? And you'll use that as one data point on the table and graph in Part B of Lab 15. So the temperature is at about 49 degrees right now, and you can see that, I don't know, I would say over half of the sample has dissolved so far. Okay, so we're we're about 65-ish or so, and everything's dissolved. Okay, now 65 degrees is not the data point, all right? What we need to do now is to let the solution cool, and then what's going to happen is as soon as the first solid forms in that solution, then we are going to record the temperature at which that has occurred. And this may be impossible to see, but we're going to try. So we're going to watch the crystals form, all right? And then what I'll do is I'll record the temperature and let you know what it is. That way you can hopefully see what I mean by just slightly, a very slight precipitant. And it happens very quickly. The temperature is just under 60, so it's dropping slowly, which is what we want. There's some solid in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there is some solid. And we are at, it's 56.8. You might be able to see it a little better right there. So 56.8. Yeah, so any degree of cloudiness we consider a solid. Now there's plenty in there, okay? And that's it. And so that data point will be used for, again, both the table and the graph in Part B. And then I'm not going to do the experiment for the other masses of sodium nitrate. I'll just share that data with you. And using, I think there's 5 total data points, then you'll be able to fill that complete table in and then also plot the graph for the solubility of potassium nitrate.